Culinary tips, unveiling the secrets of kitchen wisdom. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of culinary tips. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, understanding these tips can transform your cooking experience. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Culinary relates to cooking or the kitchen. Tips, in this context, are pieces of advice or practical suggestions. So, culinary tips are valuable pieces of advice or techniques related to cooking. These can range from how to choose the best ingredients to efficient cooking methods. Culinary tips are essential for several reasons. They help in enhancing the flavor and quality of your dishes, making cooking more efficient and enjoyable, ensuring food safety and proper handling, learning about different cuisines and cultures. 1. Prepping ingredients. Always have your ingredients prepared before you start cooking. This technique, known as mise en place, saves time and reduces stress. 2. Seasoning. Learning when and how much to season food can elevate your cooking. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. 3. Knife skills. Proper knife skills not only make chopping easier but also ensure uniform cooking of ingredients. Applying these tips doesn't require fancy equipment or rare ingredients. It's about being mindful of the small details, practicing regularly to hone your skills, experimenting with flavors and techniques. I hope this video has given you a taste of what culinary tips can offer. Remember, cooking is an art, and like any art, it's about exploring and enjoying the process. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.